Sionega de Gali. He ina diwali nail ale Wili.
Kado de jadon.
Sio ne yon dawadon.
Wo hot le dawadon.
Na school jogali awi ale doxy.
Osiyo nikad.
Kado hayon skiyus jidu wowela.
Ani sahoni juyowi yudaha yon juniyowi dano sehoni.
Jisquas ticha yowi.
Kado ijidane.
Do tayo janelo.
De tager næste se til døle.
Hoa! The oost di janesti each duli.
Ane Jodi. Osiyo. Today we learned Cherokee words about meeting new friends. Let's go over them together. We're going to start by practicing what is your name. Kado de jadon. Ga do de ja do a. Kado de jadon. What is your name? Now let's practice the response. My name is. Da wa do a. Da wa do a. Da wa do a. My name is. The final word we are going to review together is stickball, the game that the friends are going to play together. Ane jod. A ne jo di. Ane jod stickball. All stop. Don't forget to practice these words and use them with your family and friends.